Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your VonZipper clutch frames. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on, like this. Once you've done that, go ahead and rotate the frame and locate the top and bottom portion here and here of your frame, and we're going to pull out on the frame as we push the lens forward to unseat it. If you do this correctly, you should hear a pop like that. You do hear that pop, don't be alarmed. It's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. We're going to do the same thing. Rotate your frame again, locate top and bottom portions, pull out on the frame as you push the lens forward to unseat it. You should hear that pop. So now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, turn the frame around. Once you've done that, go ahead and locate the grooves of the frame here. I like to start with this outer edge first. So rotate your frame, line up your lens to the groove of the frame here. And once that's lined up, we're going to push the lens forward to seat it. Let's give it a shot. And you should hear that pop. Run your thumbs along the edges of the lens just to make sure that it's locked in there right. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate the groove of the frame here. Line up your lens. And once the lens is lined up, push forward to get it to lock in. Run your thumbs along the edges of the lens like this. And now you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your lens to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you have any further questions or concerns about the frames, your lenses, or the installation process, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.